Right here's my dog. He's gonna do a few tricks for us right now. Come on, bud. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Stand up. Stand. There he is. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Shake. Sit. Now. Shake. There it is. He knew what I was talking about. Huh? Atta boy. You ready to go in? He's ready to go in. It's one of the last cigarettes that you'll ever see me smoke. Seriously. Giving it up again. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright, bud. I'm gonna walk in here and get another shot ahead of. Bud, come here, boy. Look, who's this? Look, here. He knows better. He got better manners than that. What would you call that? Jackson Newstead in a steel shot or something? Not quite Nick Nolte yet. We'll get that here in a little bit. But I'm still pretty. Girl's gonna kill me right there.